Hello friends, welcome to Innovative Shiksha. So in this video, today we are going to present the class 10th science MCQs. So in this video, we are going to discuss two important MCQs based on class 10th science chapter number 1. So to gain the maximum benefit out of these MCQs, you can solve these MCQs by yourself and then check with the correct answer. You can take the proper notes also for future references. So let us start with today's MCQ. So the first MCQ says the shiny finish to the walls is because of, your options are calcium phosphate, option B is calcium oxide, option C is calcium carbonate, and option D is calcium hydroxide. So out of these four options, you have to choose the correct one. So what is the correct one? So if you want to write the chemical equation for this particular reaction, so what we can do, we can write the calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide and gives product calcium carbonate plus H2O. So from this equation you can very easily see the calcium carbonate. Because of this calcium carbonate, the shiny finish to the walls. Okay, so the answer will be calcium carbonate, that is option number C. So option number C is the correct answer for question number 1, right? So let us come to the next question. So next question says, which of the following is not an example of combination reaction? So focus on this word. You have to select which of the following is not an example of combination reaction. Your options are, the first option is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Option B says AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. And the next is C plus O2 gives CO2. And the last option is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Right? So you have four options. So out of these four options, you have to tell which of the following is not an example of combination reaction. So if you know the concept of combination reaction, you can very easily see which reaction is not an example of combination reaction. So let me explain you what is combination reaction. So as you know, combination reaction are those reactions in which two or more than two substances combines to form a single product is known as combination reaction. So it is a general form of combination reaction. So by this general form, if you want to compare the general form with the given option, you can very easily see which example is not an example of combination reaction. So let us apply this concept to these options and then see which is the not example of combination reaction, right? So let us come to the first one. Here you can see H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. So this equation is very similar to this equation, therefore it is an example of combination reaction. So this will not our answer. So let us come to the next one, C. Here C, carbon plus oxygen combines to form carbon dioxide. So it is also an example of combination reaction. So it is also not our answer. So come to the last one, CH4 plus 2O2 combines to form CO2. So here also you are getting similar type of equation, therefore this is not our answer. So what will be our answer? We can very easily see out of these four options, option number B is not an example of combination reaction because it is an example of double displacement reaction, right? So the option number B is the correct answer for question number 2. Thank you very much.